Hey my goddesses, it's your girl Empress Natalie here today. We are serving looks with a neutral tone with a pop of glitter liner. Please stay tuned if you are enjoying this look.
It's super smooth, super curvy and super cool. Not a geese, but she on the goose. Or the brown when she getting loose. Get both, she ain't gotta choose. Too loud when she with the crew. Bust a plate, now she on the move.
Alright my goddesses, so the first color that I'll be using as my transition color is the MAC Brown Script to start off with. So the next color that I'll be going in with is the Handwritten by MAC. It's a dark brown color. Now I'll be going in with MAC's Suspicion color in the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, now to start my cut crease, I will be using MAC's Paint Pot in the color Painterly, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the creases on both eyes. Okay, so the color that I'll be putting in the inner corner of the eye is going to be from Black Radiance Soft Focus Setting Powder color. It is a neutral tone that I really like to use for this like brown tone type of look that we're going for. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal's Infallible Eyeliner number 171 in the color Blackest Black. Before I go ahead and put on the glitter on the liner, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX glitter glue, and then I'll top it off with the glitter. Now I am going to go in with the glue one liner at a time just so the glue doesn't dry on the liner. So I'm going to put the liner on the right eye and then put the glitter, and then I'm going to do the left eye and then put the glitter. And the glitter that I use, I honestly bought from Walmart for like $1. I use black glitter. Any glitter will do. And just to wipe it off at the end, I'm going to use a makeup remover to take all the residue off under my eyes. So for the mascara, before I put on my lashes, I'm going to use the MAC False Lashes Mascara in Extreme Black. For lashes, I use Kiss lashes in the number 62011. I did get them from Walmart. So for the foundation that I'll be using Revlon's Colorstay foundation in 400 Caramel. It is the oily one for dry skin, because I do have dry skin. If your skin is on the oily side, they do have regular combination skin tone foundation, but I always get the oily one because my skin be dry. Like literally dry as the Sahara Desert. Like I be having to put on extra lotion on my face just to get like a smooth, like moisturized look. If you guys do have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below. I'll also be looking into that as well. I also go in with the Beauty Blender just to give everything a smooth look. Okay, for concealer, I am going in with MAC's Color Corrector in the color Ochre, just because I do have a little dark circles tonight. I did look a little bit tired, so I do go into that just on occasions when I do want an extra highlight under my eyes. And then for like the concealer, I'd use LA Girls Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And then I do go in with medium beige as well under my eyes, just for that extra highlighted effect look under my eyes. So I do use those two colors. Alright, now it's time to contour. I'll be going in with MAC's Concealer in the color NW55. We're going to contour them cheeks, that nose, that forehead. We're going to be looking snatched in a few. Okay, so just to make sure everything is blended in correctly, I do go back in with my foundation brush that I used to put my foundation on my face. And I go in and I just smooth all the edges of all the places that I contour, so, you know, we can look nice and blended and not looking crazy. Alright, now we're going into baking our face. We're about to bake with this Airspun loose face powder. Now to contour, I'm going in with my True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I use the darkest color and sometimes the middle color. I use it to kind of mix it up together, but today I'm going to just go ahead with the dark color. Now I'm going to go in with the middle color shade, and I'm going to go ahead and kind of tap it into all the places that I did put the setting powder in, just to bring some tone back into my face, because Airspun is a little wider, so I do like to go back in with the middle shade color that is in the Black Radiance palette to just go ahead and bring some warmth back into my skin. Now to outline under my eyes, I'm going to go ahead with back in with that handwritten dark brown color from MAC and just line under my eyes with it, just to give that brown tone under to get some color. I'm also going to go in with the Suspicion, the black color from MAC as well, just to give my eyes a little bit of pop on the bottom. Now we're about to go in with my favorite highlighter, the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Highlighter. I'm going to use the color Stone Cold. I absolutely love this color. It just brings the pop and the shine in any color that I use. I can always use this highlighter. Alright, for my blush, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me blush color in Berry Beige, just a little tap, tap, tap. The lip color that I'm going to be using is the NYX Makeup Auto Eyeliner in dark brown. It's the same liner I use for my eyebrows. I just go ahead and use that for my lips as well. It does the trick, honestly, and any eyeliner, lip liner, any color brown will do. For my lip color that I'm going to use the NYX Lingerie in Teddy Orson, just to go ahead and give that base color for the tone that I'm looking for to get in my lip color. Now for the gloss, I'm going to use this Anastasia ABH gloss color. It's a light pink gloss, just to give some of that contrast into my lips in there. I'm going to then go into my NYC lip gloss in the number 463 in Ruby Pink. Alright, my goddesses, so this is the final look. I love the neutral tones and then the pop of the glitter on the liner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos soon. Mwah.